Connecting to YouTube's.
Hey everybody, it's been a long time. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long. How's it all going? I'm Rob Booker. And it's been a while, you know. A lot of stuff going on, lots of cool stuff happening. Super excited to talk with you for a few minutes today. So hi to YouTubes. Nice to see you here. Leave a comment below. Let me know you're here. Let me know how you're doing. I can't see the comments live. We should work something out where I can see those. But I'm going to feel them in my brain, and they're going to go deep into the USB peripheral in the back of my head. So there's a bunch of stuff going on that I wanted to tell you about, and a bunch of things coming out in the near future. And I wanted to sort of give you a preview of those things without maybe spending too much of an enormous amount of time. The most profitable and successful discretionary trading strategy that I've ever used in my life was the Mexican Peso strategy. Never used anything that was as consistent as that. And that strategy was awesome because you could trade it at the same time every day. So if any of you are watching this and you remember trading that strategy together and that was really enjoyable for you, I would love for us to be in touch and talk a little bit about that. So what I want to offer today is if you traded this strategy with me, if you have had some experiences with that trading strategy, I want to talk to you. And the best way for you to do that is to send me a message on Telegram Messenger. At 304-281-8332. You might have to add a 1 on Telegram Messenger. Don't send me a text message or a WhatsApp. I hate WhatsApp. Don't send me a WhatsApp message, okay? Like, I'm deleting it entirely and I'm never going to look at it and I'm never going to see it. So send it to me on Telegram Messenger to that number and let me know you traded the Mexican Peso strategy and that you have some memories of that. Because as part of this Mexican Peso class, I want to offer to pay some of you that have traded this strategy with me to help me teach it. So that's a really exciting, like a collaborative teaching process. Maybe bring some people into the office. Maybe, here's my next idea. How about, I haven't talked to my wife about this yet, and I've learned that as part of a happy marriage, communication is key. And what that basically means is I need to communicate. What about if a few of us, as part of this Mexican, what if we went down to Cancun? I got a giant hotel room. What if we traded the peso for a couple of days together? What if we did that? What if we, I don't know, live traded a bit together, and we would maybe be able to do that with 5 people. So once again, if you're interested in that, 304-281-8332, would love to talk to you about that. I'm thinking about sometime in June, flying down there, trading for a couple of days, trading some Mexican pesos. I don't know, just having a good time. Once again, it's probably a good idea that I talk to my wife about that first, but it would probably be Cancun, and we'd probably stay in the hotel the whole time and trade, and then maybe go to the pool and maybe eat some enchiladas and whatnot. But that's another idea that's been on my mind for a long time. And then last of all, I have for a long time wanted to do one more thing in my business, one more way to have an entry level into the system of learning strategies and talking about strategies and interviewing successful traders that trade these strategies and bringing those interviews to you. So I'm going to announce something on June 1st that's going to do that. And I'm super excited about that. So what I want to do now is, it's going to take me a minute to do it. So give me a second and we'll pull up the charts. Justin, I don't know what else can we show besides this right now while I secretly pull up some charts. So I don't want to share the rest of my screen because this thing that I'm announcing and this thing that I'm doing is on the back end of this. And so I don't want to for just a minute here, I don't want to show that off. I want to actually wait. So if you're here, I see that a few of you in my mind, I'm through the gelatinous mass that is my brain, I can perceive that some of you are saying that you want to go to Mexico and trade live together. That's awesome. Super excited about that. And so we're going to turn off the camera for just a second. And I'm just going to turn the camera over this way for a second while I switch over.
We're going to just
there we go.
Close it.
And I'm going to bring up the Mexican peso. And we're going to take a look at the peso. All right. And okay, I need to tradingview.com and sign in. The Twitters, remember me, sign in and chart. Nice, you can bring us back. Sweet. All right, so we're back. Hey, everybody. So this white background really blows sometimes, but oh, look at this. The euro pound started that move that I talked about this morning. Oh, that's going to be really interesting. I think this has potential to go here near the end of the month and whatnot. This has the potential to drop substantially, and that could be a really nice trade. That's not the trade I wanted to talk about. What I want to talk about for a minute is the USD Mexican peso. There we go. Let's take a look at where this is right now. A lot of stuff on the screen here, and we can delete some of these indicators, but I want to get a big picture view of the peso. See if I have a dark background layout. I used to have a really dark background layout. Wow, look at all these charts. Holy smokes. Probably ought to delete some of these. Just search for it. There we go. This will be a little bit easier to see. Awesome. Nice. So let's look at a daily chart and expand this out. Oh yeah. Okay. Here's what I'm seeing right now on the Mexican peso, which just makes me super, super excited. I see a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. These are like shoulder pad shoulders. I don't know if they say ole in Mexico or not. I'm not really sure. But this is beautiful. When you sell the US dollar Mexican peso, for every day that you hold that trade, you earn swap or interest. This has the potential to really be awesome. So if you draw a neckline on this head and shoulders here, we are trying to break down below that neckline here. And if that falls, it's going to go that far. That's the length of the move. It's going to fall so far, it's going to go all the way down through the floor of my monitor. This is one of the very best things that I'm seeing right now. All trading involves a substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all traders. Most people trade like a drunken monkey and don't ever pay attention to risk. But and this is not trading advice. I don't want you to just jump into this trade. But this is one of the trades I'm going to be looking for. And over the course of the next week or so, I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for that trade. So if you missed the message earlier in the broadcast and you're just joining us now, I'm thinking of a couple. First of all, in July, we're going to launch Mexican Peso 3.0. So that's number one. That's coming out. Sometime in June, I was thinking of going down to Cancun for 5 days and trading 2 to 5 days and trading live the Mexican peso together with a group and having dinner together and talking about strategies and talking about building program. Those are some things coming up. And then I have one mystery thing coming up on June 1st that I can't wait to share with you as well. So if you're interested in the maybe a trading together in Mexico, send me a message on Telegram Messenger. We'd be able to go with, I think, 5 people. 304-281-8332. Send me a message on Telegram Messenger. Don't send it to me on WhatsApp. Don't send it to me by text message. Don't email me. Don't email into just send me a message on Telegram Messenger and say, yeah, that would be super interesting to me. I'd love to trade live together for a few days and talk things over. If that's for you, then I'm super excited about it. I'm Rob Booker. So glad to be here together with you. I'll see you maybe tomorrow. I don't know.